Come all you good people and listen to me, and I'll tell you of a flood and how it happened to be. In Northern California not so long ago, come the rains of '56 and how the waters did flow. In the small town of Marysville and Yuba City nearby, they watched the Feather River and the clouds in the sky. The levee was crumbling down by Marysville, but as the people worked to save it, the waters grew still. From up the river come the news that the levee was gone, and the people of Yuba City had lost their dear home. With Christmas Day near, the rain still came down, while the people stood helpless in the hills above the town.